Whether for breakfast or a filling snack or even as a meal, fruits are known to be one of the best sources of nutrition, fibers, as well as vitamins. Learn all about the fruit industry as well as the exotic fruits available in India from our elementary expert today. What's up, everyone? My name is Kritank, and welcome to another episode of Elementary Experts. Today, we have with us Siddhant Agarwal, who I fondly call the Fruit Man because you name the fruit and he has it delivered to you. So, thank you so much, Siddhant, for being with us here today.
Thank you, Kritank, so much for having me here. I'm really excited to be a part of this. Thank you.
So, Siddhant, I'm really curious, what is the market scenario of fresh fruits in India like?
So, Kritank, you would be amazed to know that India is the second largest producer of fresh fruits in the world. India is just little behind China. But, sadly, around 12 to 15% of the fresh fruits which are harvested during the season go waste because of, low handling. The logistics are not proper. The storage is not proper. You need proper, cold storage for fresh fruits. It's a very fragile item. So the handling has to be very effectively done. And the cost involved is very high. Even though the government is giving a lot of subsidies for handling of fresh fruits, a lot of subsidies to farmers, but sadly, the state is very poor right now. If it improves, surely India will be the number one leader in the fresh fruit segment.
So, India being the second largest, what are the different varieties of fruits grown in India?
So, Kritank, India is the largest producer, exporter of fruits like papayas, mangoes, pomegranates, and bananas. So, India has a very diversified climatic conditions, which is suitable for all sorts of fruits which are grown globally. So, एक तरीके से इंडिया अपने आप में एक वर्ल्ड है जहाँ पे अलग-अलग fruits grow होते हैं. For example, in Maharashtra we have pomegranates, bananas. We go to down south, Karnataka is famous for papayas, watermelons, avocados. Then we go to east, for example, Bihar, and UP side there are famous lychees and guavas. Then we go to west, that is Gujarat. There is a lot of pomegranates. In the north of India, we have Kashmir, which is like the major exporter of apples. And we have citrus fruit coming from Punjab. We all know Kinu. So Kinu is being exported from India in a bulk quantities. So Rajasthan and Punjab is famous for Kinus. So India has a diversified climate which is suitable for all sorts of fruits.
So Siddhant, I know you have a huge collection of exotic fruits. Why don't you tell us some of those? What kind of varieties? Maybe educate us about some fruits we might have not even heard about.
So, Kritank, we are importing fresh apples from countries like New Zealand, Australia, Italy, France, California. So, if you allow me, I'll show you a few sorts of apples which we import. So, these are about 7 different types of apples which we import. So, this apple is called Granny Smith. It is from France. This is an apple from New Zealand. We have apples from California, Italy, Australia. So these are the few exclusive products which we import, So if you go to a retail store, you will usually see around 2 apples or 3 types of apples. But we are, servicing for about 7 different apples, and we are importing 10 different apples from around the globe around the 12 months. So my second product, which we do exclusively, is my favorite fruit, avocados. So these are being imported from Peru, Chile, and Mexico. So this for the, since in 2015, someone asked me, कि यार इसको खाते कैसे हैं? इसको boil तो नहीं करते? So I told them कि यार इसकी एक अलग technique है, how to ripe it and then eat it. So a lot of people, keep these avocados in चावल के डब्बे, newspaper में wrap करके कि इनको पकाएंगे फिर खाएंगे आम की तरह. So it's a very naturally ripening fruit. So ये अपने आप ripe होता है, it's ready to eat, then you can enjoy it in various forms. It's a very friendly fruit, I would say. Then comes, we all know what kiwi is. So we all knew green kiwi, but this is a golden kiwi. I'll show you how it looks from inside. So this is a golden kiwi from New Zealand which we import. So this comes for about 2 to 3 months in a year. And if you can guess, Kritank, which fruit is this?
I think I'm quite baffled. Why don't you tell us?
So Kritank, this is grown in India. It comes from Bangalore. These are fresh dates. These come for about 2 to 3 months in a year. That's it. You will not find this in a local market. Only few upmarket stores keep this product. Another product which I really love, and I'm sure you also like it. These are fresh cherries from California. So they come for about a month or two at the max in a year to India. These are highly soft products, need to be well taken care of. So these are usually shipped through air. We cannot ship it through a proper shipment through sea. So it's a product which we get from air. So these cost about 1,500 2,000 rupees per kilo in the retail market. I'll give a special mention to this fruit, black apple, which is also known as black diamond in Tibet. So it grows in a particular village of Tibet, and it is usually available in the UAE. So this one apple costs for about 1,100 rupees per apple, and the packaging of this apple is like a jewelry box. You will feel as if you bought a jewelry.
So Siddhant, you just showed us 7 different types of apples. I didn't even know, first of all, there were 7 different types. Are they all the same, or do they all have different uses or different applications, even different tastes?
I definitely knew you were going to ask this question to me. So of course, all these apples have different nutritional value. All these apples come from different countries. They taste different and they have different usage. So usually क्या होता है कि किसी को पता नहीं होता ये सब. कोई भी एप्पल का हम जूस निकाल लेते हैं, कोई भी एप्पल हम बेकिंग में यूज कर लेते हैं. So these are Royal Gala apples from New Zealand. इनमें सबसे कम शुगर कंटेंट होता है. These are diabetic friendly with full flavor. These are Granny Smith apples from France. These are the best apples for baking. These are Fuji apples from Poland. These are the best apples for juicing. So now you know what apple has to be used where.
I didn't know there was a difference between baking apples and juicing apples. Thank you so much for sharing that. But Siddhant, no discussion on fruit in India would be complete without our favorite fruit. That's mangoes. Are all mangoes, that you sell, are they imported? Are they grown here? Tell us a little bit about mangoes.
India is the largest producer and exporter of mangoes. So you name the mango and we have it in India. India has about 30 different types of mangoes. And Mango Alfonso is the king of mangoes. Mango Alfonso is there. Mango Totapuris, Langda, Chausa, Dasheri, Badami. You just name it and we have it. So recently, Kritang, in 2019 April, we did a mango festival in DLF Promenade, Vasant Kunj in New Delhi. So we sourced about 14 different types of mangoes for the festival, out of which 7 were imported from New Zealand, Thailand, South Africa and Netherlands, and rest of them we sourced locally for them. So it was a big hit and people were awestruck कि यार ये कहाँ का के mango आ गए, कैसे आ गए. So it was a very good experience for us also. And secondly, I would like to share a story on Alfonso mangoes. So Alfonso, everyone knows and everyone loves it. It's all over the place in the season. So it's usually grown in Ratnagiri, which is the hub of mango Alfonsos in Maharashtra. So there was this farmer who came from Malawi country in Africa. He came to Ratnagiri. He bought few seeds of Alfonso mangoes. He wanted to experiment. कि यार मैं अगर ये Alfonso mangoes अपने country में grow करूँ, because the climatic conditions are same. The soil is very supporting. Then he grew Alfonso mangoes over there. And now the situation is that he is exporting Alfonso mangoes from Africa to India, and that too in the month of November and December and January when there are no mangoes. So those mangoes are a big hit, but the prices we have to pay for them are almost the triple. So this industry is very mind-boggling and fluctuating at the same time.
That's a really hilarious story, and selling it 3 times the price, a true entrepreneur right there. Thank you for sharing that with us. So Siddhant, you've mentioned all these exotic fruits. Now I'm sure a lot of people are wondering where can they actually pick those fruits up from, or like you said, you deliver them at home. How can they get in touch with you?
We are basically supplying our fruits to Food Hall. It's a retail store in Gurgaon, Vasant Kunj and Chanakyapuri. So if you are ever going over there, people can pick up our fruits from there. Then we also have a WhatsApp number where we are very active, and we can order on WhatsApp and we can deliver it at your doorstep. Then we have a Facebook page where you can message us. We will get back to you. We will call you, and then you can place your orders. And the fourth part, which is very close to my heart, so we are launching our fresh fruit trucks. So it is retail on wheels. So we will come to you with our entire assortment, and then you can buy from us.
I think that makes it super easy for people to order fruits. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Awesome insights. Even I, being interacting with you from a long time, but I didn't know many of those things. Thank you for sharing that, and thank you for being with us here today.
Thank you, Kritang, for having me here. I had heard lots about your show, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And for all of our viewers here today, don't forget to like this video. Of course, subscribe to our channel for many more such videos. For now, keep safe and stay at home. Thank you.